Hello, I am the Shadow, and this is the Shadow 6 Justice YouTube channel. This is an emergency weather alert for America to prepare now ahead of time, as we have a very extreme cold Siberian cold front coming in starting December 21st. Now, this cold front will extend its way all the way down to the south. Also, there is an extreme blizzard that will come in around Christmas Eve. Now, please prepare now, America, as many places will be shut down and you will not be able to get supplies. Also, there could be blackouts due to the storm, and electricity may be down. Please get food and water and medical supplies, whatever medicine you need to take on a regular basis, and get it now and put it in your house. Make sure you have heavy-duty blankets and sleeping bags. Pets need to be brought inside during this time, as the weather will be so severe it could hurt them or harm them. Also, make sure you have a way to keep your friendly animals safe and warm. Also, there may be power outages at this time, so make sure that you have a way to have lighting in your home and an extra heat source in your home at this time. This Siberian Express of cold air that's coming down is going to be very dangerously cold in a lot of different states, a lot of different places in America. We're going to have extreme cold. This means 0 degrees or negative degrees, just in degree temperatures, not including the wind chill factors. So, all Americans, please prepare now. This extreme cold will go all the way down to Texas and in the Florida region as well. America, please prepare now for this event. We want to give a big shout out to our weathermen on YouTube, the Weatherman Plus on YouTube, and Ryan Hall, y'all, on YouTube. Please watch these men. They are meteorologists. They know what they're talking about. Please prepare now for this winter storm. I am the Shadow. Like, share, and subscribe.